Florida probate attorneys and attorneys' fees and costs when you're trying to reform or change a Florida will. Hello, my name is John P.L.L.C. I'm a probate litigation attorney with the P.L.C law firm in downtown West Palm Beach, Florida. Our law firm of trial attorneys and appellate attorneys limits its practice to wills, trusts, estates, guardianships, related business and commercial litigation, and litigation and trials involving real estate, homestead, bank accounts, financial accounts, and life insurance contracts. So today I'm going to be speaking to you about a provision of the Florida Probate Code. Not the Florida Probate Rules, but the Florida Probate Code. Specifically, I'm going to be speaking to you about attorney's fees and costs in a reformation action of a will. In Florida, the law recently changed over the past few years. If you asked a Florida estate attorney 10 years ago whether you could reform a will, they would laugh at you and say, of course you can't. You can't reform or change a will after a person dies. That's impossible. But the law has changed in Florida, and now you can change a will under the supervision of a probate court judge to correct a mistake of fact or a mistake of law. So you can reform a will. Now, if you're involved in estate litigation or probate litigation throughout Florida, and if you're a beneficiary or family member, or if you're a Florida probate attorney, this may or may not come as a surprise to you, right? Yes, you can change a will after someone dies, right? You reform it, but it's under very limited circumstances. Can you get attorney's fees and costs for a will reformation in Florida? Yes, you can. Ask your Florida or estate litigation law firm to turn to the Florida Probate Code, section 733.1061. There's a specific provision which you need to know, understand, and cite in your court file documents regarding fees and costs in a will reformation action. My name is John P.L.L.C. with the P.L.C law firm in West Palm Beach, Florida. This concludes my remarks about the Florida probate litigation topic of will reformation and getting attorney's fees and costs.